As we all probably figured and saw, Forkner has fully announced that he is out. If you want to watch what actually happened and his full explanation of it, it'll be at the end of the video. I took it from his Instagram, so watch it if you want. But he's got a full ACL tear, knee damage. That's 6 months. We might see him back for motocross, who knows, or maybe he's out for the whole year to, get back to that point and then rehab and then get back into fitness. Who knows what it is. But it's sad to see, there goes the championship race, but make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, and you can watch the rest of this video to hear his explanation of that. I'll see y'all later. Peace.
The damage to my knee, it's my knee is the main thing. If you guys couldn't see that from the I know they showed the TV angle where it looks like my leg's bouncing all around. It's not my leg. A lot of people thought it was my, it's ACL tear, full thickness ACL tear, lateral meniscus tear with displaced flap, posterior lateral tibial plateau, non-dispressed fracture. So like the top of my tib fib, the top of that's cracked, I guess. Medial meniscus tear, MCL sprain, and grade 2 PCL injury. So I mean, not completely destroyed, but it's ACL, and anything other than